Alright, so what do we have here? We have a new lock that we're going to install in Bryce's room. We bought this on Amazon. Me lock. Electronic touchpad to keep his sister and other people out of his room, right?
Yes.
So we're going to install this lock. We'll see how quick it goes, how easy it is.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we opened up the package. Here's the parts. Looks easy enough. We'll see what happens. First step, removal. Whoa, whoa, slow it down there. Oh my goodness, what are you in a rush?
Yes, I am.
Alright.
Now it did.
Okay, the other handle will come out. Yep.
Yep.
Now, what do you got? The end? Pull that up. Alright, it's out. All right.
Yep.
The old one had a radius on it, the new one is square. How do you make a square object fit in a round hole, Bryce?
A chisel and a hammer.
Perfect. Let's do it.
I think I failed.
No, you're good. How'd it go? Yep, square.
Yep.
2 square. 2 more to go.
Does it go that way?
Yep.
I think I failed though.
Nope, 1 more time.
Okay.
Alright, looks like the corners are all squared out. We're ready to go.
You want to put it in?
Slide it in.
Alright.
See. Alright, you ready for the screw gun?
Yep.
Screw it in.
This one here.
Go easy. Go slow
Kinda.
there. And hold that. Good. Nice and easy. Perfect. Somebody taught you well.
Yeah.
That doorknob through there and make sure it clicks in. Did it snap in?
I
Sorta, kinda?
think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did.
Alright. Sometimes these are a little tricky to get in there. You gotta wiggle them. Oh, see that wire?
Yeah.
That's gotta go through the hole.
Okay.
I'll grab it with my finger. Just push it through. Give it another.
Is it through?
And what we got here, you got putting the screws in the back plate. You screw the back plate on first.
What are the other ones?
It's in there. You got 1 more screw to tighten up.
Oh.
They both tight?
This one isn't. Now it is.
Alright, so we have this wire part now, which is a little tricky. You're going to be able to get that? You need help.
Might need help.
Wiggle it right onto that post. And kick that wire out of the way. I think it probably lays flat in there. Screw those in. Don't over tighten, it is plastic.
Yep.
Alright. Alright, next step, put the batteries in.
I'm not sure. Are these the right batteries? Oh, there we go.
Double A's. Hope so. Three. 4. Alright,
there we
and
go.
then the cover goes on, but I noticed it has programming instructions on the back side. So we are actually going to have to read this before the cover goes on. Alright, so we're going to put the cover on now. It's all programmed. That's it.
Good.
Is that it? Or does it lock in better? Screw it in. Don't lose this tiny little screwdriver. It's like a jewelry screwdriver. It comes with it. And that's it. Tighten it up. It's done. So the lock comes with this little tool is used to use the switches on The inside of the cover, it comes with a little jewelry Phillips screwdriver to undo the cover and a couple sets of keys for an emergency. I would hide them outside of the room, not in the room. Alright, we'll see how it works. Close it, hit lock. Try it. Is it locked?
Yep.
Alright, now unlock it. I'll hide the camera so nobody knows your code. Give it a shot. Alright, so you hit the code, and then you hit unlock, and there you go. Done. What do you think, Bryce? Is this going to keep your sister and random people
Big
from
battle.
going in your room?
Big battle.
Alright, I hope so. $59 on Amazon.
Yeah.
One cool little feature, this is a nightlight button. So the buttons stay on so you can see it. Can you open it up from the inside, Bryce? And I also want to make note that I didn't actually change out the strike plate. I used the existing strike plate and left it.
Why didn't you do a new one?
Because it would have required more chiseling. It was much larger and I didn't feel like doing it. Is that okay? Are you going to be able to get in, Ayla?
No.
This is what we have to deal with.
Ooh, it's not locked. And now it is.
It'll break soon, I'm sure.
Yeah. I bet you it will.